Hi, my name is Ingvar, and this is my investment journey on eToro. I chose eToro because I wanted to have a portfolio which anyone can see. I think that makes me a much better investor. My investment strategy is value investing. That means I look for companies which I consider undervalued. I do a lot of research on them and then I buy. The hardest part of my investment journey was to get recognized. In the beginning, I was just one of many thousand investors, and I had to get the word out there that I'm for real, that I'm serious, and that I'm here to stay. The key milestone for me was in 2022. Markets were going down, my portfolio was going up, and I gained literally thousands of copiers within a couple of weeks. The most valuable lesson I learned on eToro is to not try to time the markets. At some point I had a lot of my portfolio in cash and I was waiting for a better entry point, but it never came. To adapt to changes in the market, your portfolio has to be ready at any point in time. Always position your portfolio in a way as it hell might break loose tomorrow. You should copy me if you want to build wealth with stocks without having to worry about it.